If your Apple Music is not loading, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Apple Music needs a stable internet connection to load, so you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data as well. The other thing you want to do is go to apple.com/support/system status to check if server or Apple server is not down. If it is down, then you might need to wait for some time. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and force close the app completely and open it again, or even sign out and sign in off your account. Also, make sure that in your settings, your date and time is set to automatically, because sometimes incorrect settings can prevent Apple Music from loading. If none of it works, you might need to go into settings, general, transfer reset, and reset network settings. Once you do that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it doesn't, offload your application or even check your privacy restriction. You might need to also update your iOS and restart your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.